Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Tag Manager to WooCommerce for Ecommerce events, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Google Tag Manager account. Create a new container for your WooCommerce site. Make sure to select Web as the container type. Once your container is created, copy the container ID. Next, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section and select Add New. Search for the Google Tag Manager for WordPress plugin. Install and activate the plugin. After activation, go to the plugin settings under Settings and then Google Tag Manager. Paste your container ID in the appropriate field. Save your changes. Now, navigate to your WooCommerce settings. Ensure that WooCommerce is properly set up for tracking. Go back to Google Tag Manager and create a new tag. Select the Tag Configuration option. Choose Google Analytics, Universal Analytics as the tag type. Set the track type to Event. Fill in the required fields such as category, action, and label based on the events you want to track. In the Triggering section, click on Choose a Trigger. Select all pages for the event to fire on every page. Save the tag. Next, create a new trigger for specific WooCommerce events. Click on Triggers in the left-hand menu. Select New and then Trigger Configuration. Choose Click, Just Links or Custom Event, depending on your needs. Define the conditions for the trigger, such as a product purchase or cart addition. Save the trigger. Return to your main tags area and create a new tag specifically for your WooCommerce events. Configure it the same way as before, selecting Event for tracking. Choose the newly created trigger you just defined. Save this tag. After all tags are created, click on the Submit button in Google Tag Manager. Add a version name and a description for easier identification later. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.